I'm here in front of you to discuss the 10 OHS. Number 1, take a deep breath and don't panic. Number 2, always discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. Number 3, be careful with tools that may cause short circuit. Number 4, wear rubber shoes when standing on the ground in the concrete floor. Number 5, always power off and unplug the computer before work on it. Number 6, when making circuit changes, switch off and unplug the power cord from the equipment, then discharge the capacitor. Number 7, replace only fuses when those proper rating. Number 8, hold the components by the edges and do not touch the ICs. Number 9, read and follow instruction to the manual carefully. Number 10, do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place.